Meaning of enactment.
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 Enactment. Enactment refers to the process of making a law or regulation official and legally binding. It involves the passage of a bill through the legislative process, which may include debates, committee hearings, and voting. Once the bill is approved and signed into law by the appropriate authority, it becomes an enactment. The result of an enactment is the creation of a new law or the modification of an existing one, which serves as a guide for individuals and organizations on what is permissible or prohibited within a given jurisdiction.